with another banger. We're going to be talking about a couple cryptos today, okay? As you can see by the title, we got Apecoin, Dogecoin, Shiba Inu, and Ethereum. We're going to be going over all new levels for all four, so let's go ahead and get straight into it. Smash the like button, subscribe if you are new. Let's get the channel over 10K subscribers by the end of the year. So, right here, I had one as support because we need to find support on Apecoin before I even look to try to buy it, right? We did have one type of movement after this big down movement right here, and then Apecoin kind of found support in this area right around that $4.80 that I was giving you guys. Kind of started finding support there and had a little spike up. We still do have a resistance at about $5.10. It almost hit that perfectly to about $5.06. So what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna move that resistance level up to about $5.15, because when you have a stock this low, really every cent really matters. Okay, we still have a support down here, but this support is actually going to turn to a buying level. I think we might actually get some buying pressure off of this Apecoin, so this is good. Hopefully we get some buying pressure off of that. Now if it actually breaks, like say it pulls down and it breaks it and goes lower, then that's going to be bad. We're probably going to see Apecoin to lower prices. But if it can hold this $4.80 level and then starts to go higher, I think that might be our first sign of a reversal and actually start trading up to some higher levels to about $6 or so, where I'll be looking to take some profit, about a 23% gain potential on the upside that I'm looking for. But first, we need to start getting that pressure. It needs to start reversing, and it also needs to start breaking these resistance levels. So that's the main two levels I'm kind of looking at for Apecoin right now. If anything changes, I'll update you guys on Apecoin once this level breaks or this level breaks. So I'll let you guys know that. Let's go ahead and go over to Dogecoin. We have old levels here. Ticker symbol DOGUSD. Let me type it in here. Right there. Hope you guys are doing good on this Sunday. Also, make sure you subscribe to my main channel, Will Knowledge. That's where I talk about stocks. So, Doge USD. We had two levels here, right? We either needed to break out of here or we needed to break out of there. We had a buying level at about 0.064. Notice how that's kind of acting as support. So, no real buying pressure came off of that. And then we have a resistance at about 0.070. And then that's clearly showing a resistance still. So Dogecoin is still kind of bouncing around in these levels. So I don't want to put anything just yet. I kind of want to wait to see, do we have movement here or do we have movement to start breaking lower? So if we have movement to actually start breaking lower, then I'll update you guys on it. But I'm still looking at that 0.64 level as a support and still a buying pressure level. It really hasn't broke just yet. It still has time to kind of get some pressure off of it and send it higher. If you can tell, it's trying to get pressure up there, right? It doesn't seem like, let me move it over here. It doesn't seem like it wants to go lower. It seems like it's trying to get some pressure up. So we'll kind of see how it moves. But for right now, I'm still looking at these two levels on Dogecoin. Next one, let's go to Shiba Inu. Shiba Inu actually had a drop down, so we will have to update this one. SHIB-USD, as you can see right here. Now we had a resistance level at about 1500. That resistance level almost hit perfect. Okay, it almost hit perfect. So we do have some new levels that I want to be putting on here. Let me know if you guys like this, where I put like all the cryptos in just one video, so you just have one video to watch. Let me know if it's easier for you guys. If it is, then I'll continue to do this. So new resistance is right around 1280. So 1280 is a new resistance level I'm looking at for right now on Shiba Inu. So I don't think we're going to see any upward movement on Shiba Inu until this resistance level breaks on the upside. It has to break on the upside for us to get any type of up movement on Shiba Inu. Until then, we might not get it. Okay. And then support, I'm going to put support at about 1200. So 1200, I'm going to put as a support on Shiba Inu. Let me turn that level blue. Make sure you guys don't forget to smash the like button. Let's try to get this video over 50 likes. 50 likes. That's all I ask for. Smash the like button. Let's get it over 50 likes. So support and resistance. New levels we have right now on Shiba Inu. Until this breaks, until the resistance level breaks, then we'll kind of see. I'm not really looking to buy it just yet. I really want to know where Shiba Inu wants to go. It did trade sideways, right? It had a big down movement. So up movement right now is normal, right? That's not, I don't really turn bullish if this resistance level breaks, because it's really up movement. It's not just going to drop down to the floor. I mean, it could, like it did here, but then it had a nice upward movement. but then after that upper movement, it went down lower. So that's what I'm expecting here. It might have an upper movement and just go down lower, kind of mimicking this right here. Okay, so kind of be mindful of that. But any of these levels break or anything, I will update you guys on that. So that was Shiba Inu. And now let's go to Ethereum, because Ethereum is finally pulling back, and I'm about to buy Ethereum. Ethereum had that crazy run. It actually had a bigger run than most cryptos, but that's because they have their merge coming in September. I forgot the exact date. If you do know the exact date, make sure you leave it in the comment section so people can see it. But ETHUSD Ethereum, we had old levels on here. Now, let me zoom in a little bit right here. At the buying level, notice how buying pressure came off of that, but we don't buy that, right? So there's a thing as buying pressure, and there's a thing as buying pressure confirmation. There are two different things. So make sure you join the team. It's the first link in the description because I teach you guys that, okay? And I think I'm about to do a big buy on Ethereum. I've been waiting for it to pull down from the run that it had, and it's starting to pull down. So amazing. I love to see this. I do think Ethereum is going to go to 10,000 a coin per coin. So this is like a long buy for me, down about 26%. I love it. So let's go ahead and put some new levels on here. So for support, we're going to put support at about 1440 now. We really want to be careful with Ethereum because it could break to the 13 to 1200 levels, right? I do see it kind of going down lower. So this support level right here is very massive. I'm going to take the buying level off for now, because I think we really need to see when if it's going to go upside, we need to see when the resistance levels are going to break, and then on the downside, we need to see when the support levels are going to break. So two important things that we need: 1560 for resistance, 1440 for a support. If I zoom in right here, so resistance level needs to start breaking for us to get any type of up movement, and then of course support level needs to break. That's probably going to send us down to around a 1300 level. So kind of be mindful of that on Ethereum. But I am looking for a big buy on Ethereum. I like how this is pulling back. Remember, the money is made when you buy at low prices and then you hold, and that you just get that run, okay? So thank you guys for watching the video. Don't forget to join the team. First link in the description. And always remember, no recommendation to buy or sell anything, just for educational purposes only. So do not trade anything you see or hear in the video. I'll catch you guys in that next one.